Okay, everyone. Well, we're getting ready for the consumer confidence number coming out here for our three rates trade. And you can see that the spreads are a little bit wider than normal. You can see that the euro is at 3 pips. The Swiss is at 5 pips. I think what's really going on is there's a little bit of expectation for the market. There's the U.S. new home sales is coming out as well. So we've got some action here at 10 a.m. Now this is a good thing, and part of the reason why this particular trade works is because it keys in on volatility. So our main concern here isn't necessarily what the numbers come out to be. All we really hope for is that there's going to be some kind of big difference. So let me go ahead and check my clock. Yeah, we're right at 9:55. So we'll go ahead and enter in our orders here, and you can see that I've just got mini lots loaded up here. So we're going to look to sell the euro US dollar here, and then you might have heard in the background the little confirmation there. So you can see here that this particular broker will let me set the stop order automatically. So you can see that I can reduce this now. I can make sure that I've got my 25 pip stop. And you can see that they calculate it just based on 25 pips. And you can, with some brokers, you'll be able to calculate it based on the order rate or the pips, or you can just barely see this, or the dollars. So I'll go ahead and submit the order. And then I'll go ahead and sell the US dollar Swiss. And I just got my confirmation. And I'll reduce this down to 25. And then we'll click on submit order. Okay, and then here's the confirmation. I'm sorry, it pops up in the corner. So you can see, let me just go ahead and expand this window down a little bit. And you can see that both of the positions are there. Here's the Euro USD showing me that I'm short 10,000 US dollars worth of the Euro. I'm short $10,000 worth of the Swiss. Here it gives me the average rate that I got in at and what my unrealized gain or loss is. And you can see that, with this is something that you just have to get used to with the Forex. If you see here with the US dollar Swiss, it's got my unrealized gain is 4.88 pips. $4.88 with 6 pips. That's due to the conversion rate. Okay, that's just normal. And it's the way you're going to have to get used to looking at prices when you're dealing with the second currency being not U.S. dollars. Okay, if the second currency is something other than U.S. dollars, you're going to see that these two numbers don't match up exactly. When the U.S. dollar is in the second place, you'll see that the pip and the dollar amount does match up exactly. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video because we've got about 4 minutes now or 3 minutes now to wait, and I'll come back on after the reports. Okay, and we're about a minute away now. I've got the Euro and the Swiss loaded up here, the two 15-minute charts you can see. And you can see already that there's some positioning going on. I've got these zoomed way out, so it's tough to see the detail. But you can see that just prior to the report, the Euro has had a little bit of a run up here. And you can see that prior to the report, the Swiss has had a little bit of a move down. Interestingly enough, both are sitting near respective support or resistance. You can see here that the Swiss is sitting right down here near support. The Euro has broken through resistance here and has started to come back down. Let me go ahead and put the cursor up there so you can kind of see the different levels. So we just have to wait. I mean, there's the trade is on, and my preferred method is to leave the profit target to a manual execution. Of course, if you're looking to just get into this trade and wait to see what happens, it's perfectly acceptable to set everything ahead of time. My apologies, I hit the wrong button. I thought I had hit the mute instead of the pause. Okay, so you can see the report came out, and there's just not a lot of action here. If I zoom in, you can see that the Euro looks like it's trying to go up, which means that the Swiss is going to look like it's going down. Again, this is once the numbers are out and you're observing them and you can see